In this video, I'll show you how to create email account in laptop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, actually there are multiple email providers which can provide you a email address, and generally people use Google account. So for that I'm just going to show you how to create Gmail account, or you can say a email account in Google. So for that, just open your browser and type in the search bar create Gmail account. Then here we need to click on the first website, which should be named as create a Gmail account. Here we need to click on create an account. So again go and click on create account, but here we need to decide whether we are going to use this account for personal use, for your child, or for your business. I'm going to make the account for my personal use, so I'll just click on personal use. So here we need to enter the first name and last name. The last name is optional, so I'm just not going to fill anything here, but if you want to, just go ahead. Once you submit your name, here we need to enter the birth information. So firstly we need to enter the birth month, then enter the date of your birth, enter the year, then select the gender. So once you do that, just click on next. And now here we need to enter the username. So whatever username you have chosen, you can just enter that here, but that name should be unique. So once you do that, again click on next. And here is the main part where we need to enter the password of our account, but that password should be strong enough to protect your account. And here we need to enter the phone number. The phone number is for the verification. After providing the phone number, you will get to see the 6-digit verification code, which we need to enter here. Then just simply click on next. And now if you want to add an recovery email address, because in future if you forget your password or whatever happened with your account, you can just recover that by using your recovery email address, but I don't want to add that now, so I'll just click on skip. And now it is the final process. Just read the agreement, and once you read it, just click on I agree, and then you will see the Google workspace is open, and you can say the email address is open. So here you will see all of your emails which will come in future, and you can just click on the profile icon. Here you can see the name and the email address which we have created now. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can create email on your laptop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me, because it really motivates me. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.